Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. I'm up to program number 56. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into the Classic 99 emulator, get into TI Basic, type in the program, run the program, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, program number 56, averages. Key in numbers in any order. A 0 will end entry. The computer will tell you the average number of all numbers you enter. Line 40 finds the total number of all numbers entered. Line 50 finds the total of entered numbers. Line 70 computes the average. Okay. This is not a long program, so let's, can we fit it all on one screen? I think we can. Nope, not quite. So let's start at the beginning. Get into TI Basic and Classic 99. And the first line is 10 call clear. Okay, 20 input to give me a number. Give me a number. And we are going to call that Z for some reason. 30, if Z equals 0, then 70. 40, n equals n plus 1. That increments the number of entered items. 50, t equals t plus z. It's keeping track of the total total of all the numbers entered. Not the total number of entries, but the total value of all the numbers entered. Okay, 60, go to 20. 70, a equals t divided by n. A equals t divided by n, total divided by the number of entries. A for average, presumably. 80 print, and 90 print, and 100 print. Okay, 110 print, the average is. And we have semicolon A. 120 for Q equals 1 to 10. $130 print. 140 next Q. This just gives us 10 line numbers. It's a for next loop from lines 120 to 140. 150 and 160 reset the values for n and t. 150 n equals 0, 160 t equals 0. So when we enter a new batch of numbers, those values are already cleared. And 170 go to 20. Okay, we're going to clear the screen, list the program, and just going to skim it for typos, see if there's any obvious mistakes, syntax errors, that kind of thing. Looks pretty good at a glance. Let's run the program. Okay, give me a number. Okay, so I've kind of got in the habit of using local area codes as the number. So let's say 707, 916, 415, 209, 831. That's a pretty good batch of numbers. What's the average of those 5 area codes? 615.6. Okay, let's do another batch of these. I don't know. How about some, I don't know, temperatures, 98.6, 99.7, 101.3. Could be radio stations too, almost. Let's see, 99.4. 98.3, 97.8, and let's do 100.9. Okay, let's get the average. Average is 98. On the money, apparently. So averages are pretty straightforward, of course. Let's break the program, list it one more time. Just to reiterate, we're keeping track of on line 40, we're keeping track of the number of items entered. Line 50 is keeping track of the total of all the numbers entered. 70 calculates the average. A for average equals T divided by N, or divided by N, or the total divided by the number of items entered. And then we print the average, and that's all this program does. And even though you could do this on a calculator, I maintain that a simple program like this in BASIC on a computer like the TI-99 4A or similar still has value as a kind of math scripting language. So you can write a simple little program and get a nice little simple user interface. You don't have to muck around with the calculator. You just enter the numbers and have the program do the work for you from there. So lots of fun, and that was Averages, program number 56 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. If you're watching this after the fact on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots of TI-99 4A content, along with retro programming, retro gaming, lots and lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos on topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this live on Twitch, I see someone watching, hello. Same thing, check out my YouTube channel, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please check out my Twitch channel if you want to live stream with me, participate in the chat, that kind of thing. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, little nod to my favorite game, World of Warcraft. In any case, I appreciate the enthusiasm, likes, follows, and especially subscriptions, which help me out greatly in these troubling financial times. So thank you very much. I'm going to be starting, if you're watching live, I see someone watching, I'm going to be starting and stopping the stream periodically so I can create separate videos of all these programs. I'm working my way through this old programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. So if you happen to be watching live, you want to keep watching, stay tuned. I'll be back in a few minutes once I wrap this video up, get it uploaded to YouTube, get ready to do the next one. So I'll be kind of starting and stopping the stream this evening. So hang tight, and I'll be back in the near future. And if you're watching this on YouTube, check out all the previous videos in this series, 55 before this one. This one's number 56, and I'm working my way all the way up to program number 101 in this book over the next days, maybe weeks, probably days. But in any case, I'm having a lot of fun typing in these old programs, taking a little trip down TI-99 4A memory lane. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Thank you for watching.